So the seller sent me this product to review, and what this does, this helps with nasal congestion, all right? It has a lot of reported health benefits right here on the box, but specifically I would put this on my nose and it would open spread wide to help my airways, especially if I'm a nose breather. Okay, there's a lot of benefits as to why you might want to. I'm not going to go over any of that in this video, but real quick for scale, here is a can of Diet Coke. Just to show you what we're looking at here, 50 strips, roughly, 2 months worth of clear passage. Now here's what they look like. I have this partially opened just to show you how they come out of the package. Open these up. And there's a split right there, so you peel this off, right? And you can see the stretchy, oh wow, this is super sticky, super sticky. So the idea is that the design on this spreads out with your nose as you apply it, and it stretches as you apply it as well. I want to clean the surface of my face really well before I apply this, and I'll just pop this on my nose, try to sleep with it, and it's very, I don't know that I can actually tear this if I wanted to. Yeah, I don't think I can. It's pretty resilient material, and it's very, very sticky. Yeah, so I'll put this on my nose and breathe. 40% superior hold, 20% more coverage. I guess instantly relieves nasal congestion. This will help me breathe better. So thanks again to Clear Passage for sending me this 50% stronger nasal strips for medium to large noses. I have a big nose.